Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing both devices, so plug a reliable USB cable into your phone and laptop or open your phone's hotspot settings. This reduces wireless interference and speed setup. Once done, enable mobile data and confirm tethering is permitted by your carrier. Then enable the chosen tethering method, USB, Wi-Fi hotspot, or Bluetooth. Make sure to set a strong password for the hotspot. You do this because security and a stable physical connection simplify driver detection and IP assignment on the laptop. Next, connect and configure the laptop to use the phone's network. For USB tethering, accept any on-device prompts and allow driver installation so the laptop recognizes a new Ethernet adapter. For Wi-Fi hotspot, choose the SSID and enter the password, then mark the network as private so file sharing rules stay sane. For Bluetooth, pair the devices and enable the phone's internet access profile on the laptop. Make sure to disable conflicting adapters like Ethernet or secondary Wi-Fi to avoid routing confusion. Finally, verify the connection by opening a web page and, if you want, run a quick ping to 8 to confirm packets flow. If you don't get online, first toggle mobile data and reconnect the tether, then restart both devices because that clears DHCP or driver hiccups. Make sure the phone's APN and carrier settings allow tethering, and try USB tethering to isolate Wi-Fi problems. One key troubleshooting tip: if pages won't load but ping works, disable any VPN or proxy on either device to restore normal name resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.